Good morning, children. I'm Mahalakshmi here, your social science teacher. Today, I'm going to take your second civics lesson, political parties. Now, regarding political parties, we should know to understand the importance of the political party, the role and the functions of a political party, to understand the party system in India and the role of opposition party. In earlier times, emperors and kings ruled India. People had no right to do against the ruler. In 1950, India became a democratic country. A vibrant democracy needs a strong political party system. What are political parties? A political party is a group of people. These people come together to contest elections in order to hold power in the government. It is a way to mobilize voters to support common set of interests and goals. The primary role of the political party is to fix the political agenda and policies. So each party tries to convince people by claiming their policies are better than those of other parties. A political party is a means by which the people can speak to the government and have a say in the governance of a country. So every political party must have three key components: leaders, active members, and followers. Importance of political parties. Political parties are the backbone of democracy. Parties are not part of the formal arrangement of the government, but they are essential elements to form the government. They formulate public opinion. They serve as mediator between the citizen and the policy makers. A party is recognized if it has been engaged in political activity for 5 years. Its candidate secure at least 6% of the total votes in the last general election. Characteristics of a political party. Characteristics of a political party are: a political party has members who agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view of promoting the common goal. It seeks to have its own ideology and program to implement the policies by winning popular support through elections. The presence of the leader, party workers, and the supporters. It's a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. During the campaign before election, the candidates announce the programs and policies that their party will undertake if voted to power. Functions of the political parties. First one, provide. To provide loyal opposition, accountability and stability. Second one, nominate. To select and nominate individuals to elected office. Organize. To organize political campaign, rallies and announcement of manifesto to win public office. Inspire. To put forward different policies and programs for the welfare of the people. Coordinate. To connect the society and the state, coordinate among members elected to office. Govern. To form and run the government and develop public policies. Types of party system. There are three major types of party system. Single party system is a system in which a single political party has a right to form the government. Single party is existed in communist countries such as China, North Korea and Cuba. Next, biparty system. In biparty system, the power is usually shared between the two parties. Of the two parties, one becomes a ruling party and the other becomes opposition. Example, biparty can be seen in UK and USA. Multi-party system. When the competition for power is among three or more parties, the system is known as multi-party system. For example, India, France, Sweden, Norway. Party system in India. Every party in the country has to register with Election Commission. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous, constitutional authority responsible for administering elections. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. In fact, India has the largest number of political parties in the world. We find the existence of political parties at three levels. They are national parties, regional parties, and registered but unrecognized parties. They are called as independent candidates. Criteria for recognition. The Election Commission of India has some criteria for the recognition of political parties in India. National parties. First point, a party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in Lok Sabha election. Second point, they must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha from any states. Third point, it has to win 2% of the seats in Lok Sabha from 3 different states. Regional parties. First point, a party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in the state legislative assembly election. Second point, they must win 1 Lok Sabha seat for every 25 seats or at least 2 seats in legislative assembly. Third point, needs to win a minimum of 3% of the total number of seats in legislative assembly. Recognized parties. Parties that fulfill these criteria are called recognized parties. They are given a unique symbol by the Election Commission. A registered but unregistered political party cannot contest election in its own symbol. They have to choose one symbol from free poll by the Election Commission. Now, what is majority party, minority party and opposition party? The political party whose number of candidates elected is more than the others is called the majority party. The majority party forms and runs the government. They select and appoint their ministers to run the government. They play a decisive role in making laws for the country. Minority party. Those with a less number of elected candidates are called minority party. Opposition party. The party which gets second largest number of seats next to the majority party in the election is called the opposition party. An effective opposition is very essential for the successful operations of the democracy. They are as important as that of a ruling party. They raise their voice on the failures and the wrong policies. They highlight important issues which are not acted upon the government. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. Coalition government. In a multi-party system, a single party sometimes may not secure the majority required to form the government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government. Such government is called coalition government. Electoral symbols and its importance. An electoral symbol is a standardized symbol allocated to a political party. They play an important role in elections. They can be easily identified, understood, remembered and recognized by the voters. The symbol of nationally recognized parties is standard throughout India. Both national and regional parties trigger the growth of the nation and work for the welfare of the people. Election Commission is responsible for free and fair election in India. In India, we have multi-party systems.